Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today it is Tablescape Tuesday. So I'm going to put something together. I really don't know what I'm going to put together, guys. You know, sometimes we run out of ideas, and sometimes our brains work differently. So I just pulled some stuff together, and I want to do something with greenery, summertime, but at the same time fun. And this time is just going to be a regular table setting, guys. No tea party. I don't think I'm gonna do a tea party. But anyways, first I'm not using tablecloth either. So yeah, guys, I'm not using a tablecloth. So guys, and this is Tablescape Tuesday, and this is hosted. The main host is the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and hosting with her is Amethyst Adventures. Yeah, guys. So this time, like I said, there is no guest, but I believe since this is the month of Anna's birthday, we have guests. The last Tablescape Tuesday, and I believe on the 30th or something like that, we're going to have another guest, and that one is going to be blue and white, I believe. So guys, check out her community tab, and you will find all the information there. All right, I'm going to start with that runner, but I also want to put on top of that runner this runner. This is a Dollar Tree runner. The white one is thrifted, and this is the little that they have at the Dollar Tree. So I want to use that there. All right. Also, I'm using this placemat from the Dollar Tree as well. It says life is meant to be lived, and it has beautiful colors. So, and I'm doing a table for two this time. This is why I'm using my big table. So, okay, we could tell that this is not on the center, so we want to make sure it's right in the center. All right. Okay. With that, I will be using gold chargers. And how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay. All right. And then I will be using thrifted plate. I thrifted this place a long time ago, guys. I cannot even remember how long ago I thrifted these plates. And the plates have green in them, as you guys can see. And they have a rose on the center. But the rose is not going to be seen because I will be using other color salad plates. I'm going to be combining this color plates right here. So it has green as well, and it has black and orange and yellow, so that'll bring everything together. All right, guys. I will be using Dollar Tree flatware. Simple, but nice and elegant. So guys, just have in mind that you could do a beautiful tablescape using Dollar Tree items and as well using thrifted items. I put my spoon over here in the wrong spot. So, all right. Now let's use, I'm using green stained glass with a Cracker Barrel clear glass. All right. I hope you guys are doing good. And guys, I will be linking the host in my description box so you guys can go and check them out. All right, I need some my napkins. So my napkin, I'm using a combination of, you guys can see, green, they match with the plates, and the flower. This is the quarter fabric that they sell at the Dollar Tree that I got for the springtime because of the flowers. But we're going to be using it, guys. I actually like putting it like this. So. Like so. I think that is looking nice. So now, let's work on the center. Let's work on the center. All right. I feel like I need something else. Hold on, guys. All right, I have these leaves that I thrifted a long time ago from the Dollar Tree. So I want to give it more I want to give it a little bit, I want to like extend it a little bit. So let's put that there, one there, and one here. I think that'll make it look. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I will put the same one over here on this side. And this one on this side. Yeah, I like that much better. What do you guys think? Let me bring you guys close. Sorry for the movement. I like that much better. Yeah. Yep. All right. Now let's add our candles. I'm using candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Gold candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Source the candles are from the Dollar Tree. But of course, you guys know me, I need more candles. So let's use my black candle holder as well with light pink candles. All right. I also want to use one of the mirrors from the Dollar Tree right there in the center. Guys, I think I'm done. It's simple, but I think it's very nice. You guys know me with my table. I like to have them full, but I'm just going to go simple this time because, guys, when the next celebration for Anna's birthday, I'm going to go all out. I'm going to go all out for her. She does so much for us that, you know, we need to celebrate her. So, hold on, guys. My apologies. My service door never barks. At least there's somebody at my door. All right, guys. Also, I want to add my two little birds because I'm doing like a summertime. And guys, these types of little birds, what are they called? Anyways, I see a lot of these birds that look like this right up my window since I'm on the lower level. So I see them all right there. So in the morning, what I do is I take some bread and I go outside and I put it by my window and I could see and hear all the birds. So guys, I'm going to put these little birds here and this one here. So guys, now you know what's coming, right? My flower arrangement. And you guys going to see that my flower arrangement is what's going to bring everything together, guys. I hope you like it. I'm going to bring you guys closer to the table once I light up the candles. So guys, you guys ready for my flower arrangement? I think it turned out nice. All right, guys. Let's bring my flower arrangement. I am using my recycled green bottle vase that I thrifted a long time ago from the Goodwill. And there you guys have it. That is my gorgeous flower arrangement, guys. Guys, you know what we gotta do, right? We gotta turn off the lights, light up those candles, and show you all the way around. How about that? But I think I need like a little bit of few more greenery on the center. So let me do that and then I'll bring you guys right back. I hope you guys like what I'm putting together for you as much as I enjoy doing it. Okay. I think that's better. Put my little birds here on top of the greenery. Oh yeah, I like that much better. Yep. All right, guys, I'm going to turn off the lights. I'm going to guys bring you close because you guys seeing it from one angle, but once you see it from my angle, it looks very nice. So let me light up the candles for you guys. Hold on. All right, guys, this is what my table looks like. Here is my flower arrangement. You guys can see with all my little small and delicate flowers. That's what it looks like from the top. I think it's a simple table, but at the same time, elegant, guys. I love it. Here is my runner in the center with the greenery, my little birds. Yeah, guys. So, of course, my napkins, my green napkins are thrifted. The napkin rings also thrifted. Plates are thrifted. Glasses are thrifted. Dollar Tree DIY. So guys, I hope you like it. Thank you, Anna, for putting this collaboration together every week. And guys, let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.